Hi guys, so today is retightening day for one of my amazing clients. She decided to do the interlock method for her retightening today. With this method, you have your retight lasting much longer. You can wear this for up to 4 to 6 weeks depending on how fast your hair grows. So this is the final look. I think it's absolutely neat and beautiful. Very neat, and she wanted to trim some of the locks at the back that were pretty long. They were obviously longer than the rest, and so I did a bit of trimming. And she also tried our hydration hair mist. She absolutely loved it. The smell was great, and purchased a bottle. So I gave her a simple style at the front as well, and left the back out. Thank you guys.